Hello, today is August 2nd, 2022. This is video 18 in my series, Our Courts Are a Joke. Now, this is a follow-up to the motion I just had this morning at 10 o'clock to try to get a stay order on the garnishment that I have against all my bank accounts in regards to for the cost order. Now, I have been paying my child support and I've actually been overpaying because I was still paying the full amount of what I had been giving for the mortgage and maintenance payment. Then, since I was going to be trying to claim that the condominium was still mine, I wanted to make the full payments on that. So I have been overpaying. But anyway, my ex didn't cash the checks, the last two, which I believe was the end of April, end of May. And then she decided to do that because they are taking all the money they can now for the cost order, which is some $60,000, something like that. Throw in another $7,000 for $62,000 for the trial, $7,000 for the appeal that I was dismissed. Today's order is only for $300. So hey, you know what? I'm getting better, right? So anyway, I lost that motion this morning. By looks of it, I lost it because I've not filed my notice of appeal to the Supreme Court of Canada. So a notice of appeal stays any order for costs. So it doesn't stay if you're making child support and spousal support, but a stay order is automatic now. You used to have to do that separate back in 2008 from what I remember. But so now if you file a notice of appeal, it stays cost order. So anyway, my appeal has been dismissed. My next level of appeal is to the Supreme Court of Canada. And so they have been trying to get their costs, and they're doing that with a stay order. And they managed to get with that stay order. They got, I don't know, $1,600, $1,400 from my bank accounts. And it's not a big deal, except for now I work for free because my paycheck goes to those bank accounts. So, and the biggest problem, though, is it stops me from doing everyday banking because all my accounts are garnished. I can't make a deposit and withdraw something. So anyway, I've lost that motion. So I still have to get my appeal into the Supreme Court of Canada, and they don't hear every appeal. It has to have some kind of national importance. And let's face it, a man losing his kid is not very important by national standards, right? So, but anyway, I have to move forward with that. So anyway, I tried to put in this motion, and I lost, and I kind of expected I would. Now I was video recording it, and I have a GoPro and my phone. And my GoPro battery died. It was at 40%. I just bought this GoPro, and I should have had it up to 100, I guess. I haven't used it, so I'm not very knowledgeable on it. And I also set up my phone, which I am currently working on the video right now as I'm trying to edit it, because I just left it running the whole time because, I really want to appear to be getting up and doing something. I should have restarted it, I guess, because I heard somebody else's motion that was fairly quick before that. So anyway, I wanted to upload it all, and it looks like I may only be able to upload some of it. And now again, that is against the law to do that, but I really need to get as much evidence as I can. Now, this judge today, Justice O'Brien, was actually, she seemed pretty fair. She let me speak. Usually the first thing they say is, we don't have all day. So, which of course, just, for a self-represented person, it's not the good start, or they right away give you time. I find the judges of the Court of Appeal really to be the worst. The other judges seem to be okay, right? At least from my experience, but maybe they're just kind of getting jaded being in the system. I don't know. But anyway, so I've lost this motion. So moving forward, I need to complete my appeal to the Supreme Court of Canada in the hopes that it'll be heard. And, failing that, really all I have is nothing, right? So I have to just try to take this to the political avenue and try to get publicity and, go make a spectacle of myself at Queen's Park or something, get on the news, try to get some publicity, which is really all I can do here. And that's the purpose of these videos. So if I didn't say it at the start, I can be reached at ourcourtsareajoke@gmail.com. This is video 18 of my series, Our Courts Are a Joke. Now, if you're a man that's been screwed in family court, and especially in the province of Ontario, please send me your story. Put some comments in the comment box. Now, if you've been before Madam Justice Conway or Justice Kraft, if you're especially those two, I want to hear some cases. And you know what? We need to unite and start making some changes because our courts are a joke. And any man that's been in family court will tell you that, right? So anyway, so carrying on, it's I gotta find the courage, strength, and hope to continue this because I've lost everything. I've lost my children, I've lost my home, I've lost all the money of the last 10 years, and pretty much all the money in the next 10. So there's not much left, is there? Anyway, that concludes video 18 of Our Courts Are a Joke. Thank you.